That's right, and this means we're going to see later today Tribe versus Queen Walkers. But now we have the last attack of Hugo Stiglitz coming in, and he is famous for his Queen Charges. And he is coming in with the Queen Charge Dragon Rider. So I'm really excited to see what he has in store for us and how he's going to approach this base.
Yeah, with this Queen stepping up to grab the Archer Tower, and now she should be able to charge her way into the Scatter Shot. Finally drops these healers, so luckily they do not switch off to the King to keep this Queen nice and healthy, but that's quite a bit of damage on her. Forced to use that Rage Spell. Are we going to see a balloon potentially used to protect the healers? Yep, finally does use one. Will he find a Seeking Air Mine though? But some pests do pop up near this Town Hall. Pops the abilities. Ground Skeleton as well. Bomb Tower, which is going to shred through these barbarians with that giant bomb. And that's really doing quite a bit of damage to his King. He's going to take him out.
Yeah, now the question is, what is the plan on how to take down the Town Hall? Like, what exactly is going to be the approach? There is the freeze on the Clan Castle and the poison at the same time. Those super minions are not an easy task to get through. And there is the connection war break to make sure that he's actually getting that Town Hall. So the question is answered. He is going for that Town Hall with the Queen Charge. And the Queen, if everything goes perfect, I think he might want to have the Sweeper as well, because that Sweeper is pointing into the direction of that Dragon Rider part. So where is she going? There's another Black Mine though on the healers. And wait a sec, where's the Queen going actually? Is she going for the Queen platform? No, she's going for the Town Hall. That's a smart Queen. That's exactly how you want to have that Queen and the Queen Charge. Meanwhile, we have the Dragon Riders already being in the base from the top side.
Yeah, still has that Warden Eternal Tome. Royal Champion is making her way. Freezes up the middle multi. Red Air Bombs coming through. Warden ability for even some Headhunters to make their way over to the enemy Royal Champion. Queen's already burned ability. Down she goes. She's gonna have enough. That Stone Slammer finally just pops, drops the Rage on the backside of the space. Royal Champion already burned her ability, but the healers are trying to transfer their way over there to keep her alive. And this is looking like an answer from Hugo, which means that Nebrex's attack that he ended up saving made all the difference here in this war.
That was just an incredible matchup. Both teams giving it all. And only a couple of percentage difference at the end of the day. And Hugo is getting it done with an amazing Queen Charge. Really nicely done, keeping the Queen on her path towards the Town Hall, taking that down.